Hey, what's up everybody? It's Keith Wilson from DG Airbrushing with another airbrushing video, and today we have another Ford Mustang. This one's a Super Snake, a Shelby Super Snake, and it's another job that's underneath the hood. It's a big snake, flames, everything that you love. You know the rest of the drill. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's getting late, I'm out.
Okay, here we go. We have a Shelby Super Snake Cobra Mustang, or a Mustang Cobra, Shelby Super Snake, however you want to say it. We have blue flames, we have metal snake, and you can see the highlights. It has fangs. It's on a sound and heat dampener. And yeah, look at there's the eyes. You can see it. I could see it. We could see it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so I can get a new cameraman, because I'm just focused on that trim right there. Tell me what you think, though. You know the rest of the drill. It's getting late. I'm out.